Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy mini video edition.
That has to be a heavy because it didn't arrive on 29.
American 3204, Whiskey 2, join Yankee ground point 8.
Whiskey 2, join Yankee ground 8, American 3204.
Two heavies? Two heavies?
Tower United 41 heavy, pilot 22 left.
Net 41 heavy near tower wind 2605, runway 22 left. Could land, caution return to song and Airbus A330 on about a 2.5 knot final, also for runway 22 left.
Copy, we got him in sight and clear to land 22 left, United 41 heavy. Alright, because 3564, you want to say we're at ground?
Yeah, 2039 near tower wind 2605, runway 29 clear to land.
It's an A330. That's Scandinavian Airlines.
I'm with you now.
2039 near tower wind 2605, runway 29er. Clear to land, traffic to Boeing 767 heavy on about a 4 mile final for runway 22 left.
Roger, clear to land, runway 2929, 2029.
Brickyard 3534, uniform short of Yankee ground point 8.
Well, hello to you, Scandinavian Airlines.
Yeah, 2029, do you still want 180 or do you want it slower?
2029, speed your discretion, plenty of space.
Okay, our discretion at 2029.
Scandinavian 903 heavy, can make a right turn on Papa, then ground point 8.
Right to pop that crap.
Oh yeah. You gotta love that.
Friendly reminder, if you have not eaten, taken your meds, drank water, nor given yourself plenty of time to rest, if applicable, please do so at your earliest convenience. I don't want anything to happen to you. Jesus loves you and I love you too. And thank you for watching. And now, with that being said, please continue to enjoy today's featured presentation.
Newark Tower United 2413, now you go for 29.
2413 Newark Tower wind 2705, runway 29 clear to land.
Clear land 29, United 2413.
Heavy United Heavy arriving on the screen.
American 1700 Newark Tower, runway 22 left at Whiskey, line up and wait.
22 left at Whiskey, line up and wait, American
It's like a
1700.
777. Could be a 767.
941 Heavy takes Victor, right on Papa, then ground point 8.
Victor, right on Papa, ground point 8, United 41 Heavy.
American 1700, wind 2704, runway 22 left at Whiskey, clear takeoff.
Clear takeoff to the left at Whiskey, American 1700.
United 2673, near tower, runway 22 left at Whiskey, line for wait, hold at idle power.
Alright, runway 22 left at Whiskey, line and wait, we'll hold at idle power.
Whoever dropped by with another like, I appreciate that. Thank you.
United 50 Heavy, ILS 22 left.
950 Heavy, near tower, wind 2704, runway 22 left, good land traffic, Boeing 737 is taking position on 22 left. There's some traffic, I have a Boeing 737 at about a 3 mile right base of runway 29.
Okay, we're looking for him, 950 Heavy.
We got another heavy coming on to runway 22L.
American 1700, contacting your departure, good day.
Switching departure 1700.
United 2673, wind 3303 at 3, runway 22 left at Whiskey, clear takeoff.
Gotta go 22 left Whiskey, United 2673.
United 2289 takes uniform, hold short of Yankee, then ground point 8.
Hey, whoever came in and just
hold
dropped me
short of,
another like, I do thank you for that one. Now we're at 14 likes.
Yeah, just take uniform, taxi all the way up
Feel
to
free to
Yankee,
say
then ground
hello in
point
the
8.
chat.
That's
I
a
would
Yankee ground.
appreciate it.
Now United 1376, we're RNAV Whiskey 29. 1376, near tower, wind 1503, runway 29, clear land, shots gone about a 3.5 mile final for runway 22 left, Boeing 767 Heavy.
Roger, clear land 29, runway 29 United.
Yeah, 2673, contact your departure, good day.
2673.
I can definitely make that out. And for those who hear the bells in the background, yes, we're about to get blocked by a train. Thank you for watching today's featured video, and please have a blessed day.